It might be BC's second largest city, with more than 500,000 people calling Surrey home. But did you know there are even more trees here than people? In fact, 50% of Surrey's land is green spaces, and one of the biggest parks is right in the middle of the city. The Green Timbers Urban Forest is home to wetlands, lakes, and 10 kilometers of nature trails that the locals love to explore.
Whenever you just need a little bit of fresh air, it's very handy and it's beautiful.
My grandkids love it here, and I have plenty of great memories and keep making memories here with them.
But this urban oasis has a long history. Back in the 1920s, it was a tourist hotspot as people traveled near and far to see the giant 200-foot timbers that line the Pacific Highway. The park actually used to be part of 5,000 acres of old-growth forest. But in 1929, all 5,000 acres were cut down. A year later, though, the BC Forest Service started replanting, and eventually the Green Timbers Urban Forest was born. So this is really cool. This section of the forest we're about to go into is actually where the inaugural replantation started. This is how Surrey became known as the birthplace of reforestation. The area wore many hats over the years. It was a forestry school and a nursery, but eventually the community had their say.
Surrey residents actually voted to turn this area into an urban forest.
And as Surrey's population continues to grow, city officials are making sure green spaces grow too.
We certainly are going to be growing our spaces and adopting even more areas of parkland that we will see that will be treed and places of an oasis in the middle of concrete. It's just crucial to who we are as human beings in trying to manage lifestyles and build community.